The most popular places to live in Central Alberta. Are you considering a move to Central Alberta? With its stunning landscapes, vibrant communities, and a growing economy, this region has much to offer. In this article, we will explore some of the most popular places to live in Central Alberta, including Red Deer, Camrose, Lacombe, Blackfalds, and Sylvan Lake. Each of these communities has unique features that make them appealing to residents. Why Central Alberta? Central Alberta is a captivating region that combines natural beauty with a strong sense of community. Here are several reasons why this area stands out as an excellent place to live. Diverse landscapes. One of the most striking features of Central Alberta is its diverse landscapes. The region is characterized by rolling hills. These gently undulating hills provide stunning views and create a picturesque backdrop for outdoor activities. They are perfect for hiking, biking, and simply enjoying nature's beauty. Lush forests. Central Alberta is home to expansive forests that offer a habitat for various wildlife species. These forests provide opportunities for hiking, birdwatching, and other forms of ecotourism, making them ideal for nature enthusiasts and families looking to explore. Picturesque lakes. The region boasts several beautiful lakes, such as Sylvan Lake and Gull Lake. These bodies of water are not only visually stunning but also serve as recreational hubs for swimming, boating, fishing, and year-round activities like ice fishing and snowmobiling in the winter. Strategic location. Central Alberta's location is one of its most significant advantages. Situated between Edmonton and Calgary, the region offers commuting convenience. For those who work in either of these major cities but prefer a quieter lifestyle, Central Alberta is an ideal solution. Residents can easily access the amenities and job opportunities of Edmonton and Calgary while enjoying the tranquility of smaller communities. Access to major highways. The region is well connected through major highways like Highway 2, which facilitates efficient travel to Calgary and Edmonton. This accessibility makes it easy for residents to commute for work, attend events, or engage in shopping and entertainment. Recreational activities. Central Alberta is rich in recreational opportunities that cater to a variety of interests. Outdoor sports. The diverse terrain supports various outdoor activities, including hiking, biking, and skiing in the winter months. Numerous parks and recreational areas offer trails and facilities for sports enthusiasts. Community events. The region hosts numerous cultural events, festivals, and fairs throughout the year. These gatherings bring residents together, fostering a strong sense of community and belonging. Family-friendly activities. Many communities in Central Alberta offer family-oriented recreational facilities, such as playgrounds, sports complexes, and community centers. These venues provide safe and engaging spaces for children and families to enjoy. Quality of life. The combination of natural beauty, recreational opportunities, and community spirit contributes to a high quality of life in Central Alberta. Affordable living. Compared to larger urban centers, housing prices in Central Alberta are often more affordable, making it easier for families and individuals to find suitable homes. Strong community bonds. Residents often describe a strong sense of community in Central Alberta. Neighborhoods are welcoming, and local events provide opportunities for residents to connect and build relationships. Educational opportunities. The region is served by quality educational institutions, from primary schools to higher education facilities, such as the University of Alberta's Augustana campus in Camrose. This access to education is a significant draw for families. Camrose, a growing hub. Camrose is a small city located approximately 90 kilometers southeast of Edmonton. With a population of around 20,000, it has become one of the most sought-after places to live in the region. The city boasts a vibrant arts scene, numerous parks, and a strong sense of community. Education and amenities. Camrose is home to Augustana campus, a satellite of the University of Alberta. This institution offers high-quality education with smaller class sizes, making it an attractive option for students. The city also has a variety of shopping options, including Walmart, Canadian Tire, and local boutiques, ensuring residents have access to essential goods and services. Outdoor activities. One of Camrose's standout features is its beautiful natural surroundings. The city offers numerous walking trails, particularly in the scenic Four Seasons Park and around Mirror Lake. These spaces provide opportunities for residents to enjoy outdoor activities such as walking, jogging, and picnicking. The city's commitment to preserving green spaces enhances its appeal for families and nature enthusiasts. Lacombe, a historic charm. Lacombe is a charming city located just south of Red Deer, with a population of approximately 13,000. Known for its rich history and well-preserved architecture, Lacombe offers a unique blend of small-town charm and modern amenities. Community and culture. Lacombe is renowned for its vibrant community spirit and numerous cultural events. The city hosts various festivals throughout the year, including the Lacombe Days celebration, which features music, food, and activities for all ages. Residents enjoy a strong sense of belonging, making it an ideal place for families and individuals seeking a close-knit community. Parks and recreation. Lacombe is also home to several parks and recreational facilities. The city has a network of walking and biking trails that connect residents to nature. For those who enjoy sports, Lacombe offers facilities for soccer, baseball, and hockey, ensuring that there are plenty of opportunities for physical activity and community engagement. Blackfalds, a young community. Located just north of Red Deer, Blackfalds is one of the fastest growing communities in Central Alberta. With a population of around 12,000, Blackfalds is particularly popular among young families. Family-friendly environment. Blackfalds is known for its abundance of recreational facilities, including parks, playgrounds, and sports complexes. The Abbey Centre, a state-of-the-art recreation facility, offers an outdoor water park, fitness center, and various sports fields, catering to the needs of families and active individuals. Economic growth. The community has experienced rapid growth in recent years, attracting new businesses and residents. With ongoing development projects, including new schools and amenities, Blackfalds is positioned to continue its upward trajectory. This growth provides residents with a dynamic environment and various employment opportunities. Sylvan Lake, a lakeside retreat. Sylvan Lake is a picturesque resort town located about 15 kilometers west of Red Deer. With a population of approximately 16,000, it is a popular destination for both year-round residents and seasonal visitors. Recreational opportunities. The town is famous for its beautiful lake, which offers numerous recreational activities such as swimming, boating, and fishing. The beach area is a hub of activity during the summer months, attracting families and tourists alike. Sylvan Lake also hosts various events throughout the year, including winter sports and summer festivals, fostering a vibrant community atmosphere. Sense of community. Sylvan Lake is characterized by its strong sense of community. The town hosts regular events that bring residents together, such as farmers markets and outdoor concerts. This sense of belonging is further enhanced by the friendly atmosphere and supportive local businesses. Red Deer, the regional hub. Red Deer is the largest city in Central Alberta, with a population of over 100,000. It serves as a regional hub for commerce, healthcare, and education, making it an attractive option for many residents. Central location. Red Deer's central location between Edmonton and Calgary makes it an ideal place for those who travel frequently to either city. The city is well connected with major highways and offers easy access to both urban centers. This convenience is a significant draw for individuals who work in one city but prefer to live in a quieter environment. Parks and recreation. Red Deer is known for its extensive park system and outdoor recreational opportunities. The city features over 110 kilometers of walking and biking trails, picturesque parks, and well-maintained dog parks, such as 3M Bend. These amenities encourage an active lifestyle and provide residents with ample opportunities to enjoy the outdoors. Economic opportunities. Red Deer has a diverse economy, with strong sectors in agriculture, manufacturing, and retail. The city has seen significant growth in recent years, leading to increased job opportunities. As a result, many individuals and families are drawn to Red Deer for its economic stability and growth potential. Conclusion: Your future in Central Alberta. Central Alberta offers a wealth of opportunities for individuals and families looking for a place to call home. Whether you prefer the vibrant community of Camrose, the historic charm of Lacombe, the family-friendly atmosphere of Blackfalds, the lakeside retreat of Sylvan Lake, or the urban conveniences of Red Deer, there is something for everyone in this region. If you are considering a move to Central Alberta, take the time to explore these communities and discover what each has to offer. For more insights on living in Alberta and to stay updated on the best places to live, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We welcome your comments and questions, and we look forward to sharing more valuable content with you. Thank you for reading, and we hope to see you in our next video.